Choosing the best gym tools depends on your specific fitness goals, preferences, and available space. However, here are 5 versatile and commonly used gym tools that can provide a well-rounded workout. 1. Dumbbells. Dumbbells are versatile and effective for strength training exercises. They come in various weights, allowing you to adjust the intensity of your workouts. Dumbbells can be used for exercises such as bicep curls, shoulder presses, lunges, and more. 2. Resistance bands. Resistance bands are lightweight, portable, and affordable. They provide resistance throughout the range of motion, making them excellent for strength training and rehabilitation exercises. Resistance bands can be used for upper and lower body workouts, targeting muscles such as the arms, chest, back, glutes, and legs. 3. Kettlebells. Kettlebells offer a unique training experience by combining strength, cardiovascular fitness, and flexibility. They are versatile tools that can be used for exercises like swings, Turkish get-ups, goblet squats, and more. Kettlebell training helps build strength, stability, and endurance. 4. Stability ball. Stability balls, also known as exercise balls or Swiss balls, provide an unstable surface that engages your core muscles. They can be used for exercises like stability ball crunches, planks, hamstring curls, and various other core strengthening exercises. Stability balls are also helpful for improving balance and flexibility. 5. Jump rope. Jumping rope is a simple but effective cardio exercise that improves cardiovascular endurance, coordination, and agility. It's a versatile tool that can be used for both warm-ups and high-intensity interval training, high-height workouts. Jump ropes are portable and can be used indoors or outdoors. Remember, these are just a few examples, and there are many other gym tools available depending on your fitness goals. It's important to consider your specific needs, consult with a fitness professional if needed, and choose tools that align with your goals and preferences.